it's me, Libby. Today on Seven Fancy Teens, we have reached 13 subscribers already. I know 13 subscribers is a little, but 13 subscribers, we only uploaded that last video like Wednesday, Tuesday, I don't know, but I think it was Tuesday or Monday, I don't know. But like seriously, that's just great, 13 subscribers. That's almost as close to me. I've got like 19 subscribers and I've had my channel for like 4 or 5 months. So, yeah. So in this video, I'm going to put everyone who has auditioned, made the video and have said they're going to audition. But if you aren't going to audition and you've said you're going to audition, please comment. By the way, don't worry if you haven't made your video yet, it doesn't matter. Take your time, just do it soon. So just to let you first off know that Martu is Saturday and I'm Sunday, so we only need 5 more people to be on the collab channel. Well, I think we have the right amount, but we just need more people to audition. And we'll just say when the auditions are closed, you know, you can just keep on auditioning if you like to. So I'm going to start off with who is auditioning for Monday, which is... person auditioning for Monday is Raina. I'm sorry if I pronounced your YouTube name wrong, but yeah. We also have Xmas Girl, I suppose that means girl, I don't know, sorry, Xmas Girl 123, also auditioning for Monday. But if we want both of you on the channel, one of you will have to do it on a different day. So, yeah. If one of you we don't want, then the one girl will have the Monday. So, yes. For Tuesday, we have, sadly, no one. So when someone who said they're going to audition, please can you have Tuesday. So, yeah. Wednesday, we also have no one. So obviously we need someone to take that place. On Thursday, we have... that's me, Tiffany, XX, that's me, Tiffany, XX. And we haven't had her audition yet, but we'll get it soon. But we know she's a Thursday. But we haven't told her she's got the part for Thursday, so don't worry, like, we haven't said, we're telling everyone all at one point. On Friday, we have Linda Genya. I think I said that right, anyway. Sorry, my telly's up really loud. Anyway, so that is all the days. Now I'm going to put up all the people who said they are going. People who said they're definitely auditioning, and they put their video up, and people who haven't put their video up. So this is the people I have so far. I have Nene Thompson, Xmas Girl 123, Hey I'm Grace and Irene, Born to Be Dancer, XX, that's me, Tiffany, XX, and Radical Mez. I'm not so sure about Radical Mez because I tried typing in his channel, or her channel on YouTube, and it wouldn't come up, so I don't know if she's still auditioning. If you aren't auditioning and one of your name is in these lists, there will be 2 lists because I need to make another one on the next scene. Please comment down below if you're not going to audition. Thank you. Then we have Linda Genya, Raina, me, and Martu. So, yes. Thank you so much for subscribing, liking, commenting, and most important, auditioning. Bye, guys.